Hey guys, so the fan in my bathroom hasn't been working so well lately, and I thought I'd try cleaning it instead of replacing it first. So let me show you how. You're going to want to go ahead and remove that plastic cover and expose the light bulb. Go ahead and remove the light bulb and that nut right there. Now it should just hang loose, but there's going to be a plug in the back that you're going to want to remove. First, remove the one for the light fixture so you can get that piece off, and then go ahead and unplug the fan motor and remove the screw in the corner right there. Now you should just be left with the entire housing for the whole assembly. You can go ahead and clean everything now while you have it open. But mostly what I wanted to clean was the motor for the fan and the fan itself. So there's that. On the back, there's these two little nuts. I went ahead and removed those so I can separate the fan from the actual plate. And then there's the motor. I'm going to go ahead and take the fan off. That's the white plastic piece. You're going to remove the black little clip to do that. Now I got the motor all on its own. I scrubbed it up, cleaned it a little bit, applied some WD-40 to any of the rotating parts, and it actually works like brand new again.